These are my friends. My friends. Just now. So guys, what are we going to do today? I'm gonna ask them that. So guys, what are we going to do today? And please like and save. And by the way, tell me if you like my outfit. And that, 6, 7. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. If you like the video, you like um if you guys like the video, like it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna tell my friends to tell you guys bye. Okay, so let me tell them, give me a minute. Bye. Okay, so Justin say bye. Bye. So bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. If you now like and follow, just remember to be the one that you are and keep on loving each other. Bye.